You've put time, energy, and expertise into your WordPress site. Every word, every product, every page, built with purpose. And it deserves to be found. But what if your site truly understood your content and always knew exactly what your visitors were looking for? Well, thanks to WP Engine's new AI-powered tools, making those intelligent connections has never been easier. With Smart Search AI, your search bar now understands meaning and intent using your site's existing structure without the need for manual tags or keywords. That's not just smarter search, it's more clicks, more conversions, and more satisfied users. Users who keep reading and exploring, because with a simple drag and drop or a single line of code, our AI-powered recommendations block has already read every word and understood the relationships between your post, pages, products, content, and data, and mapped out the content most likely to belong together. That's the power of AI designed to elevate the content that you already own. And as your WordPress site grows, WP Engine automatically builds a private, vectorized, and deeply interconnected version of your site's data. Secure, synced, and completely your own. And for our developers, WP Engine provides direct API access to our managed vector database, along with a ready-made chatbot blueprint, so you can quickly build AI-powered experiences drawing exclusively from your site's content, meaning it's tailored exactly to your brand, your voice, and your vision. And just like that, your site no longer just speaks to your audience, it listens too, and tells your story in a whole new way. At WP Engine, we power the freedom to create. And with our new AI tools, we're helping you push the boundaries of what's possible. Are you ready to build a smarter WordPress site that's fully in your control? Learn how WP Engine's new AI-powered tools put more power behind the sites and content you create.